Hello everyone and welcome to my channel and welcome to this video. Today we will be inking and painting these quite simple doodles, and for that I did use Hahnemuller sketchbook, and for the brushes I used only this Raphael number 0 quill brush. For the watercolors I used Viviva colors, their color sheet, and for the colors some yellow ochre, burnt umber, sap green, and also I did use this Micron 03 ink pen from Pigma, and that's all the supplies I did use. So without further ado, let's get to it. I will start with just a basic sketch. I will place my trees onto my paper. So for the first one I do want to have an oval shape. For the second one, a little bit of the triangular oval, if that's a thing, and one a little bit more square, but I do want to have it with rounded edges. And I do want one that it's going to be the tallest. This one is also going to be an oval, ellipse, and yeah, those tree trunks. And that's basically quite simple as that. My sketch. Now I will do the inking with this Pigma 03 ink pen. I do want my circles. So first tree I'm gonna draw in circles on top. I do want those circles to be a little bit lighter at the left top part and going down, and also to the right I do want to have it a bit darker. So I'm pressing a little bit harder with my ink pen. And also adding a bit more of the ink to make it darker and make it look like that part of the tree is in the shadow. So I'm also going to add randomly a couple of more darker circles in the central part of the tree. And that's going to be my first one. For the second one, I do want to draw parallel lines. So from the top to the bottom, but also I do want it to be a little bit more saturated and closer at the bottom, so I'm adding more lines there. For the square one, I'm gonna add in some oval dots, shapes, and some of them I'm gonna fill in with the ink and some I'm gonna left blank. Also gonna add different doodles, some lines, dots. Just you can add whatever you like. Or just doodling and having fun, so you can just paint in your tree however you like. But I do want to go over to the edges because I do want to block in the edges with my ink. I will erase the pencil lines and I do want to make that edge of my trees visible. So also for the last one I'm drawing in some lines. This time they're gonna be vertical, adding a bit more of the ink again, making it somewhat darker in some spots. And also here at the bottom. Again, thinking about the shape of my tree, I'm gonna ink the edge between those two trees and just finish it off with a little bit more of the details, the tree trunk or both of those trees, and a bottom part for some ground. Now I will just use this kneaded eraser, artist eraser from Faber Castell, and erase the pencil lines. And you can see right now that because I was going over to the edges with my ink pen, I'm still keeping those edges lines for my trees shapes. So first with the green, I'm gonna paint in the first tree. I'm gonna go outside the edge, not gonna paint inside of the edges that I drew. I do want to make it quite loose, and that shape is going to be outside the edge. the larger one. I'm gonna paint in yellow and mix of green. Go over to the edge of my last tree. Tree trunks. And some more green at the bottom. I rinsed my brush and now I'm gonna soften those edges. And to finish it off, a couple of more splatters. This was super fun and simple, and I did decide just to add just a tiny bit ink to some spots. My watercolor is still wet, so I don't really advise you to do that. Make sure it's dry before you add in a little bit of the ink if that's what you decide. So we're done. Quite simple as that. I hope you had fun. This was quite fun for me and very, very simple. You can use this idea for cards, to fill in a page in your sketchbook, just to doodle in ink and just have some relaxed times for yourself. Guys, thank you so much for joining me today. If you do like this video, please hit the like button, share it and comment. If you haven't still, please do subscribe to my channel. I have many tutorials here for beginners and advanced painters. If you like real-time videos, step-by-step instructions, you can check out my Patreon. I have also there many tutorials. And yeah, that's basically everything. Thank you so much and see you next time. Bye!